Okay class, so magsasolve tayo ng password problem under sa MSTHC, yung dating MSTE. So shout out muna pala kila Rib, kay Padul, tsaka kay Birch. Okay, so solve natin to. In a frequency distribution, the mean and median are 21 and 22 respectively. Then its mode is approximately. So ayan. So may relationship yan, may approximate na relationship yan. So ang formula dyan is 3 median is equal to 2 mean plus mode. Okay? So, ano yung median natin? Sabi 22. So, 3 times 22 is equal to 2 times, ano yung mean natin? 21, no? Plus mode. Ayan. So, calculate na lang natin to, no? 3 times 22 minus 2 times 21. So, lalabas na yung mode natin is 24. So, correct answer is letter A. So, ganoon na siya kadali. Thank you for watching.